Yacht fans, and welcome to my next video. In this video we look at 3 power catamarans by Aquila. Now I'm going to leave you with Lex Rass, the president of Aquila Power Catamarans, and let's see what he has to say.
I'm Lex Rass, president of the Aquila Catamaran brand. Roughly 8 years ago we started with Aquila, and here we are at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show with our biggest showing ever of Aquila. We have an amazing factory, very environmentally conscious. All of our manufacturing is vinyl ester, resin infused. Our factory is all covered in solar cells. But really, we're about catamarans, and the growth of catamarans is what is really exceptional. And we see that we're very well positioned. We will be the #1 power catamaran brand in the world, without a doubt, as we go forward. Our range is amazing. Yeah, there we are. Super proud of Aquila and super proud of everybody involved with it.
Well, our first vessel is the Aquila 32 power catamaran. She is a versatile and popular model, perfectly fitting in between the leisure cruising and high performance category. She's just over 32 feet long, so a perfect size to fit in any marina, and she has a beam of 12 feet 8 inches, which, as you know, for catamarans, because of their broad beam, it's perfect for entertaining and relaxation space on board. So much so she can accommodate up to 14 guests on board, not staying on board, but actually on board cruising while cruising around. She does have a small forward cabin, which is quite well appointed with a double berth, and she does have a heads featuring an electric toilet and a sink. And on her bow she has a seating area with some sun loungers. She has like a barbecue area featuring her with a fridge and a sink. So she's a perfect little entertaining vessel. Tick the boxes of many people who are wanting an ideal first boat, really. She features twin outboard engines up to a maximum of 600 horsepower, and as you can see from the video, she's got 2 twin 300 horsepower Mercury engines, which will push her easily to 36 knots and a maximum of 41 knots depending on the conditions that you're sailing in. Comfortably, she'll have an extended range at 20 knots. Perfect day boat, really. At her stern, the Aquila 32 is equipped with dual swim platforms, ideal for water activities, getting your paddleboard out. I've only experienced a sailing catamaran, and as you can see from this video I'll put up next, I was on a yacht called Snowball. It was a beautiful sailing catamaran, and while she does have power, she has a diesel engine, she can no way reach the performance of these vessels. But I do wonder, as you can see from the video, we were in really calm conditions, but as later on it got choppier, and the sheer nature of a catamaran with twin hulls and the sort of big flat sort of area in between, you do get a lot of slapping of waves underneath, which can make for a bit of a noisier journey compared to like a monohull vessel. But it's always a compromise because you get the extended onboard space with a wide beam catamaran. The luxurious Aquila 44 power catamaran, born of innovation and experience. She is a world leader in her class. She is designed for both long distance cruising and a highly social platform. She can be easily manoeuvred with her joystick operation and thrusters.
There's 3 different power package options on board the Aquila 44. Our base engine is the Volvo D4 230s. Then you have a notch up, which is the Volvo D4 320s. And then we have a further step up, which is the Yanmar 370 horsepower.
With acute attention to detail and a knowledge of how owners use their boats, both the exterior and interior spaces are perfected to serve the owners well. Here we have the Yacht's shore power management system that features a cable TV input for when you're at the marina. This area also includes your variable temperature freshwater shower for rinsing down. Her wide side decks and safety handrails add to your comfort and safety when anchoring or docking your Aquila 44 model. Available with a 3-cabin layout featuring a salon and galley with 360-degree views and an extensive flybridge. The layout of the Aquila 44 yacht makes entertaining a crowd on board easy. Hi guys, if you're liking the 3 Aquila yachts in this video, please go to the link in the description and check out the full range on the website. Please carry on watching and like and subscribe, and please don't forget to comment below. I'm also thinking about doing a video of my own journey with boats, and if this is something you'd like to see, and like to see my past boats that I've owned in the past, please comment below, yes, make the video. And I'll make that video. With superb balance and sleek lines, the Aquila 70 is luxury combined with practicality. This is Aquila's flagship yacht. Both breathtaking and powerful, she is like nothing you have ever stepped aboard. The Aquila 70 looks and feels like a stunning luxury yacht that she is. She can top out at 27 knots and cover longer ranges at slower speeds. Power and manoeuvrability come from the Volvo Penta inboards, coupled with the joystick control. Carbon fibre reinforcements keep weight down while adding to the yacht's strength. The Aquila 70 has massive spaces designed with European flair that are bright, inviting, relaxing and welcoming, including a 27-foot wide master suite. She offers versatile interior layouts along with rich wood finishes, soft fabrics, smart appliances, designer furnishings and incredible headroom. Her panoramic windows all make your experience comfortable. To access the foredeck from the flybridge, which can be fully open or enclosed with air conditioning, and a wide Portuguese bridge for easy access from aft to bow. If you prefer, spend your time hanging out aft with its comfortable plush seating, huge beach area, deep swim ladder and excellent dinghy launching.